Okay, we're down. Maya just arrived in Toronto. We're downstairs in my garage, and she is now going to demonstrate her new convertible EOS Volkswagen.
Transformer.
Oh, it's a transformer. That's right. So, watch this. Huh? Oh. Okay. Maya just dropped off Jackie. She's going to a concert tonight at the Phoenix with 1,000 other 14-year-olds. So she just came for some dinner here at my place. All right, let's see the demonstration. Here we go. So the windows go down first, and then the skylight retracts. Boot lid goes up. It's all automatic. She just presses a button and it does it itself. And there you go. Just like that. It's amazing.
Transformer.
Okay, close it up again.
I'm not gonna drive home.
You're not going to drive home with the lid down, I hope. No, so press the button again. And I'll get closer. It's a transformer car. That's amazing. That's it, eh?